Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thank you so much for supporting my channel and being the first to comment on my last video. So we're just going to jump right into today's tutorial. If I sound down, it's because I am feeling under the weather. To anybody who has ordered from my Etsy shop, my orders are delayed. Everything is just being delayed lately though, so I reached out to every single one of you guys and hope you can understand. Let's hop right into this video though, because I gotta give the girls a video. I'm using these French A-Press Gel X soft gel full nail covers. So these are from the legit A-Press brand, and I have a video doing these. I have a video using these in a prior video that goes more in depth. But all I'm doing is doing a black and white theme design. I'm using some Beetles gel polish, and for my brush, I'm going to be using a Sheet nail art brush. So I'm just going to bring you guys in a little bit closer, and there's like lines on these nails that gives you the perfect French and the same, shape French every time. So I really do love these nails. If you guys have never seen them before, definitely check out my French manicure video, because like I said, I go way more in depth. But I'm doing this all kind of backwards. I don't know, I'm just doing it my own way. So I'm not going to talk too much in this video, just because you guys can already tell my energy, just everything is just low. But I'm just going to come in here and there, just explain, what I'm doing. But all I'm doing right now is just going in and following that line and curing. Alright, so now we're going to go in with some alcohol, and I'm going to be using some Polygel by Model 1s. This is in the shade Light Apricot, which is my absolute favorite. It's like the perfect nude. But I'm just going to go in with my MAKARRT Polygel brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that and then apply it to my nails. If you guys have never seen one of my videos before, I do apply it not directly on my cuticle, but a little bit close to it, like very close, but not directly on it. You want to make sure you're flipping your nails and patting it underneath of your nails to make sure that it's nice and flush. And you also want to make sure that your cuticle area is flushed as well. If you do happen to get some polygel that squeezes out around it, then you can just take your brush with some alcohol and wipe it before curing. You want to make sure that it's perfect before curing, because after you cure, it's a done deal. So this method is very easy. You can also do multiple nails at once if you want to try and eliminate that time that your hand is going to be in and out of that UV lamp. So like I say in every video, UV lamp can be very harmful if you use it often like I do. So you just want to make sure that you are taking precautionary measures like wearing sunscreen or fingerless UV gloves. That's just another tip, is doing multiple nails at once if you are able to. So I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. So I have a measured cutter, but it's actually broken, so I have to order a new one. But I'm just going in with a cutter and cutting down my nails. And then after this, I'm going to be going in with an 80/80 grit file, and I'm just going to start filing away at my nails. So here is the top coat. I'm using a Model 1's top coat, which is my all-time favorite. I don't know why, I just love this top coat so much. And before that, I'm going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and just wiping down my nails. And then I'm going to apply my top coat. So the last and final step is cuticle oil, my favorite, as you guys know. This is in the scent strawberry. My cuticle oil is currently sold out. Almost everything in my Etsy shop is currently sold out. I'll be having a major restock soon, just when I get up and running. I know I'm very behind on my orders. I'm going to have them all ready and packaged, hopefully in a week when I'm up and running. But thank you guys so much for supporting me, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!